Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. Today, I am doing what I love to do, which is work with fabric. This is denim. I am going to attach this piece of denim to a piece of cotton camouflage fabric. And wait till you see what I'm gonna do next. I'm using white glue. You can use white glue or Mod Podge, whichever you prefer. I am pressing this down to make sure that it is securely attached. I'm going to let it dry, and now I'm pulling out my Sizzix Big Kick. It's an old-fashioned die cutting machine, and my new die, which is cutting fringe. I am excited. When using the die, you lay your fabric on the die, and you have two plastic plates, one under the bottom and one under the top. And then you roll your material through the machine, and the die cuts it. So that's what's happening here. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Fringe! Look, it's fringe. Oh my goodness, I love it. Got to do this one more time because I'm going to make some fringe earrings, so I need 2 sets. This is the other side. This is the camo side of the fabric with the denim. Now I'm just going to roll the fringe up. I'm going to glue my roll together. I'm going to do that twice, and I'm going to have my pair of long fringe earrings. These earrings are very, very long. Here they are, my camo and denim fringe earrings. These are 8 inches long, so you really have to be an earring girl to get these. Well, let me know what you think. I am very excited. Well, I'm going to be making some fringe. I'm going to do some really soft leather. I'm going to do more fabric. I'm just going to go fringe crazy probably. I love this thing. All right, good people. Remember our Tuesday live subscriber chat. We're gonna address a particular question this week. So I'm gonna put the question out so you can be thinking about it. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.